We're downtown in DeFuniak at historic Lake DeFuniak on this side, and this is our train station. It was erected around 1887, the first version of it. And right here, at that time, it was the L&N Railroad, but it's been converted to a museum for right now. But now CXY operates and owns the railroad rights in this area. But at that time, you know, it was erected in 1887. By 1890, at 1887, there was around 100 people here in DeFuniak. By 1890, there was 800 people. And then by 1893, there was something like 900 people. So we had a growth rate of like 25% during that era. And right now in DeFuniak itself, according to the 2014 census, we have 5,600 people that live in Walton County. Live in DeFuniak Springs City.